In the past 14 days, I've been able to get 326,000 impressions on LinkedIn. Imagine 326,000 people seeing what you have to offer. Exactly. I started posting on LinkedIn less than a month ago and I've been able to learn it pretty quickly. So in this video, I want to go through the 3 things that I've learned so far from getting these results so you can start implementing these things and also get the same results. So let's get into the video. Okay, so number 1 is reps. Okay, and a lot of people get this wrong. They don't understand what I mean by reps. What it basically means is consistency, and I don't mean just once a day. I mean a couple times a day, especially on LinkedIn. For me, it's worked, and I'm going to run you through what's been working for me. So this is exactly what I'm going to say. So reps worked for me. Okay, I posted around 2 to 3 times a day, and the way I could do this is because I have longer form YouTube videos that I simply cut up and add simple captions to. So that's what I really recommend you doing, filming a longer form video and cutting pieces up that makes sense and gives value, and then just posting them. Okay, that's exactly what I done. I posted around 2 to 3 times a day and it's worked super well. Those are the ones that have actually got the bigger amount of views. Well, one of them has been a short form video that I filmed, set up a camera and filmed a short form video, but most of them have been the cut up videos from the YouTube videos that have done super well. And I think, well, I know this for a fact, LinkedIn is a completely different platform to like Instagram, TikTok, etc. It's still the same kind of like algorithm, but it's different. It's more professional people on there, so they don't really care about what they're watching. They just want the value. So that's what you need to give within your LinkedIn videos, is the value. And that's why the cut up videos from the YouTube, because they were valuable, worked super well. But one of the videos that done super well and it's been the most viewed for was an actual short form video. It's about Meta AI for Instagram, so it done super well. But what you need to understand with LinkedIn is it's a reps game. Okay, and I say this for every like social media platform, it is a reps game. Like if you put in more reps and if you post more content, you're going to learn more about what works for you, and then you can go all in on that style and it's just going to go up and up and up. And this has happened to me on every single platform. I've posted for quite a while with hardly any views and I found something that works. I went all in on it and it done super well for me. Okay, so that's the first thing that I learned. It's a reps game, especially LinkedIn. So what I would do is simply just create a YouTube video, longer form video. You don't even have to post it on YouTube. You can just answer a few questions on a longer form video and cut those up into short form videos. Post at least 2 times a day, I would say. If you can post 1 time a day, that's great as well. But like 2 to 3 times a day works super well for me. And as you can see on the screen, I'll put up the impressions I've got from all the cut up videos. And what I would say in the LinkedIn videos is make sure you have like a kind of controversial title summarizing the video. It can be controversial, it can be just a bit of like what's going to happen within the video so people watching know. And this has worked really well for me, just a simple caption saying what's about to happen, and this works super well. Okay, so that's the first thing, reps. The second thing is mastering the hook. Now you should know by now, if you're posting on social media, the hook is one of the most important parts of your video. But even on LinkedIn, you need to master the hook. You need to grab someone's attention straight away, and there's 3 types of ways you can do this. You can do this with a visual hook, what I just said about the title summarizing the video. You can do this with a controversial hook, saying something controversial within your industry to grab the audience's attention. And you can also do this with an authority hook, so making sure people know you know what you're speaking about, so they watch the video, so they carry on watching. But you need to master the hook. You need to grab someone's attention. You need to make them emotionally invested so they actually want to watch the video longer. And yeah, those are the 3 main hooks you can use. You can use a visual hook, you can use a controversial hook. Again, just getting their emotions involved, because you're being controversial, they're going to get angry, or they're going to get like just invested into the video. And an authority hook is positioning you as an authority, so they actually think, okay, this guy or girl knows what they're speaking about, I'm going to watch this video longer because I'm going to get some value from it. And what you really need to understand is on LinkedIn, they're mostly professional business owners on there. Okay, there's not many just people on there for no reason. They're either invested into their own career or invested into their own business, and they're the CEO or the founder of the business. So that's who I'm targeting, CEOs and founders. So it's very good. It's a very good platform, especially if you're targeting those kinds of people. Okay. And by the way, guys, if you are a business owner and you're making 6 figures plus a year and you want to build a personal brand, have your content done for you on literally any platform, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. If you want your content done for you, we mainly do focus on Instagram, but we can create content for any platform for you. If you want it done for you, and if you want to get an extra 15 clients within 90 days guaranteed, or you get a full refund, just check out the first link in the description. It will take you to a video running through what we do in more detail. But yeah, anyway, back to the video. So mastering the hook is super important. The first 3 seconds of your video, super important, and you just really need to catch their attention. Like, you can jump into a video, you can slide into a video, that's kind of like a visual hook, but it's really important to catch their attention within 3 seconds, because again, they're mostly busy people on there and they don't really want to watch a really long video anyway. So you've got to get their attention, and then keep their attention throughout that video by giving value. Okay, so that's the second thing. Master the hook of your video, and I guarantee you're going to get more views. If you focus on that first 3 seconds longer than the rest of the video, it doesn't even matter about the rest of the video. Yes, it has to be valuable, but just focus on those first 3 seconds of the video to really grab their attention. You can even research what's doing super well on LinkedIn, see what kind of hooks are working well, and replicate them. Okay, this works super well with any kind of content you're creating. If you replicate the idea that's already performed well, it's going to perform well for you as well. Okay, that's just a fact. So that's the second thing. You really need to master the hook, and you really need to focus on the hook. The third thing is be broader. Okay, and you might be a bit confused by this, and you might be a bit surprised by this, because a lot of people say about LinkedIn, or you need to be niche with your content. Yes, you need to still be niche with your content, but you need to be a bit broader than normal so you can actually go to more people. Because what most people don't understand is, if you go a bit broader, you're going to go to more people, because more people are interested in what you're speaking about. Yes, a bigger percentage of them aren't going to be your ideal client, but a bigger percentage of those people are going to be your ideal client, because you're going to more people. So for example, let's just say you go to 200 people, only 2 of them are probably going to be your ideal client. If you go to 200,000 people, probably around 200 would be your ideal client. So you see what I'm saying? It's going to be going to more people, more of your ideal clients if you're a bit broader, because a lot more people are interested in that topic. Okay, so that's the third lesson. Be broader within your content, and it's going to go to more people. Yes, as I said, a bigger percentage of those people aren't going to be your ideal client, but an even bigger percentage of those people are going to be your ideal client, because you're going to more people in general, if that makes sense. Okay, so an example of this, let's just say you help people get in shape, for example, like busy professionals get in shape. Instead of saying this is how to get in shape as a busy professional, you can say this is how to get in shape in general, and it's going to go to more people, because more people are interested in getting in shape, but it's going to go to a bigger percentage of your ideal client, because there's more people watching. Okay, and this may happen sometimes, this may not happen sometimes, but in general, it's just better to go broader, because you're going to go to more people, and it's going to give you even more credibility as well. But yeah, those are the 3 main things I've learned from getting 326,000 impressions on LinkedIn, and I've only been on there a month. Literally less than a month, posting for a month. It's been insane. Like, I've never seen a platform like it. It's really like getting big, LinkedIn, so I'll get on it ASAP. But I hope you got some value from this video. Subscribe if you are a business owner and you want to improve your content, because I do post content like this like 2 times a week, so you can improve your content, get better at content, and actually get clients through your content. But I hope you got some value from this, and yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.